Passive income is mostly a myth. Getting rich overnight? Also a myth. But building scalable income online, that's very real. And the surprising thing is, it doesn't require a huge audience, a massive ad budget, or some complicated funnel. In fact, the process is so simple that many people overlook it. This approach is called the two-engine business model. Thousands of people have used it to grow from beginners to generating consistent five-figure months, and in some cases even hitting 6 or 7 figures annually. The beauty of the model is its simplicity, the magnet and the money. These are the two engines that power any successful online business. When both run smoothly, the business scales fast. Why the two-engine model matters? Everyone wants to make money online, but most don't know how to do it sustainably. Many people struggle with two big gaps. 1. The magnet problem. They don't know how to attract their perfect buyers. They're unsure what content to post, what to say, or how to connect with their audience. Even people with 100,000 plus followers often find themselves broke because they never solved this piece. 2. The money problem. They don't know how to create an irresistible offer, present it clearly, or guide someone to make a purchase in a way that feels natural, ethical, and simple. The two-engine business model solves both. And here's a truth worth holding on to. A small audience can still produce huge revenue. It's not about how many people follow, it's about whether the right people are paying attention. Even 600 engaged followers can create serious income if the system is followed. The 4 stages of the two-engine business model. To make this work, there are 4 stages. 1. Find your perfect buyer. 2. Create viral content. 3. Be social. 4. Get the order. Let's break them down. Stage 1. Find your perfect buyer. Most beginners try to sell to anyone. They blast emails, run random ads, and chase after people who don't care or don't even have the problem being solved. That's wasted effort. The first step is crystal clarity on who you help and what problem you solve. Here's a simple philosophy. If you can describe your buyer's pain better than they can, you win their trust in business. That means digging deeper. What are their goals? What do they dream about but rarely admit? What blocks them from taking action? What keeps them up at night, typing questions into Google or ChatGPT? When you can enter that conversation already happening in their head, you become the guide they trust. A good rule of thumb, the best people to serve are often those who are where you once were. For example, many great fitness coaches were once out of shape themselves, then transformed their health. Their lived experience gives them empathy and authority. And remember, the bigger the pain you solve, the bigger the paycheck. Stage 2. Create viral content. Once the perfect buyer is identified, the next challenge is getting attention. Most people assume that going viral requires luck or a massive following. Not true. Today's algorithms focus on content quality, not follower count. Even accounts with 0 followers can go viral if the video engages people. The format that dominates every platform right now is short-form video. Reels, Shorts, TikTok. And here's the framework for creating them. PSL, point, story, lesson. Point. Start with a problem your perfect buyer struggles with. Story. Share an example, analogy, or short story that brings the point to life. Lesson. End with a clear takeaway that's practical and actionable. Why does PSL work? Because stories stick and lessons build trust. If people get results from free content, they're more likely to trust with paid solutions. To generate ideas, one simple trick works. Look for pre-validated concepts. That means noticing what's already performing well in your niche, then creating your own version with your unique perspective and story. Here's a challenge. For the next 100 days, post one short PSL video daily across Reels, Shorts, and TikTok. This consistency builds your magnet, the attention engine. Stage 3. Be social. Here's the part that shocks people. Most business owners never message their own followers. Think about that. Thousands of people have clicked follow, signaling interest, yet they never get a hello. Social media is about being social, and meaningful conversations turn attention into opportunity. Conversations in DMs aren't just for small offers. People invest thousands, even six figures, through chat when the trust and clarity are there. Stage 4. Get the order. Finally, the money engine. Many people ruin this step by overcomplicating it. Key rules. 1. Don't release the pressure valve. If someone shares a problem, don't brush it off with, "Don't worry, you're amazing." Validate the pain, explore it, and diagnose like a doctor. That's how authority is built. 2. Guide them into the buying zone. Some buyers lack confidence, others have too much. Both need gentle reframing. Low confidence buyers, reassure them that their concern makes them a good fit. Overconfident buyers, ask clarifying questions that bring them back to reality. For example, "That's great revenue. How much was profit?" 3. Present a clear offer. Confused buyers don't buy. Keep the offer simple, concise, and focused on solving the exact pain they expressed. 4. Ask for the order. When someone says, "I'm in," don't delay. Send a payment link immediately. Have a Stripe link or checkout page ready so the process is seamless. The goal is simple. Make it easy for someone to say yes. The two-engine business model is straightforward. Engine 1, the magnet. Engine 2, the money. Turn that attention into revenue with clear offers and direct conversations. Put both engines together, and a business can grow to levels most people don't believe possible, without needing a massive following, complicated funnels, or endless paid ads. And here's the real win. It creates freedom, the ability to work from anywhere, whether at home, traveling, or even while doing something you love. It all comes down to consistency. Post valuable content daily. Talk to your audience like real humans. Guide those who need help into your world. Do this for 30 days straight and the momentum begins. Keep doing it and the results compound. Because at the end of the day, building scalable income online isn't about hype or shortcuts. It's about solving real problems for real people at scale. And the two-engine business model is the simplest path to do it.